Welcome. If you're new to the channel, I'm glad you found me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that bell notification. If you're not, welcome back. So let's check in again with TeraTexas, look at the merging completion process that's happened now with the east and the west side. We're going to go ahead and check out these straight down views, and we will go straight into the video with the decommissioning and lowering of one of the largest cranes in TeraTexas. I think this shows a milestone of how far we've come in only a few short months here at TeraTexas. So please stay tuned for more updates around TeraTexas as we come through milestone after milestone until we see that first Cybertruck roll off the lots. I hope you're here with me whenever we see it. It's going to be a great day. I cannot wait to get my own Cybertruck as well. So enjoy, and again, have a great day, and let's check out TeraTexas. So now we're flying towards what will be the general assembly area. And then behind this area, in the very back corner, next to the large concrete structure, is going to be the electric motor and powertrain area. So this area is finally coming along, and they're finally starting to put those vertical columns in. Another set of milestones here at Giga Texas. It was kind of an ominous day here at Giga Texas, and the passing clouds left for sunshine that was in and out, and it would get hot with the sun, and I took layers off, and then it would get cold again, and then I had to put it all back on. And, well, it was a great active day. You can see that all around in these videos, and later on, right after these time lapses, that largest crane goes down. So stay tuned and enjoy. So what about you? Do you have vertigo? Have you ever stood on the edge of death? Have you ever stood on top of a mountain or the edge of a large drop like the Grand Canyon or something like that? How do you do with vertigo? Throw it down in the comment. Let us know. Have you ever done anything crazy? It'd be interesting to think. I actually really enjoy standing on the edge. Maybe these construction workers feel the same way. So I wanted to kind of just let this video play out, leave it in most of it in real time, not do too much time lapse, just to really get a sense of what it was like to actually be here and see this thing go down and have them try to actually take it down. It took longer than I was here to actually take it down. It probably took another maybe hour or two, but I had to go home. So, man, this was a long process just to take down this one crane. But I hope you enjoy this. I'm really glad I got to capture this. Again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. It really helps, and it really helps my channel grow. So thanks again. If you really want to help, check out the Patreon. I have a Patreon link down in the subscription. So thanks. Check it out. Looks like the owner of the crane, which you'll see in blue, is about to get this paperwork here to sign. You'll see he accepts it, and I think he does, because I think he's going to get paid. What do you think? Throw it down in the comments. Let me know. What do you think is on that paperwork? So you can see those large wheels there on the crane. Those are actually for when the crane collapses, it will roll forward on the ground with each of those different wheels that you'll see. Pretty interesting. I was actually doing a live video during this clip, and I called it maybe as good as I predicted the rise of Tesla. I also predicted that this crane would come and turn around right in front of the shot and block the whole view. Then he pulled up a little bit, and hey, it did make for a great view. And hey, that's what this is. This is actually what I'm trying to do, is bring you the real documentation of this construction here at TeraTexas and anything around the world. Documenting everything. That's what Roschetzky photography is about. So hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. Thanks again for watching. How's everybody doing? Now let's fly around the backside and see what we can find from the air. We'll swoop around and check over on the robots section and see what happened with the robots. They were actually loading and unloading some packages over there in the Robot X section, but we didn't really see anything particular, so let's check it out. There's another angle from the two buildings that have now merged. No, this could actually be the years where we look back and say these were the years of electric cars. These were the years where renewables finally won. When the fossil fuel companies, oil companies, and coal companies had nothing left to hold on to, and their grasp over the reins of energy finally collapsed, and a self-sustaining future finally is in our hands. One thing's definitely for sure. Tesla's changing the game with the Gigapress and the casting machines. This is going to be cutting down hundreds and hundreds of robots, making way for cheaper and more efficient Tesla vehicles. So now that the walls are going up in the Gigapress area, what do you guys think? Will there be another Gigapress installed? Will they wait till right before they put in the last wall? What do you think? Do you think they have another way of bringing in all the other casting pieces? Or what do you guys think? Throw it down in the comments. Let us know. So we fly over to the robots section where they were housing the robots in these tan containers. And as I fly around, I don't see much going on. They were unloading something out of that back of that 18-wheeler, but you can't really tell. And then as I'm painting around, kind of looking for stuff, I do see these covered pieces over here. They are covered almost in the same way as the robots. These pieces could definitely be something interesting. What do you guys think? Does anyone know what these pieces might be? Throw it down in the comments. Let everyone know. Very, very close to completing the steel section to the concrete structure, and it looks like there's a new foundation going in right there next to it. So this is another area we'll keep an eye out on the future as well. There's only about 17 to 21 spaces possible left here on these concrete walls. So they are very close to completing this concrete structure, depending on how many they leave as openings. So very interesting. This is really cool. I was actually watching a video the other day about the construction of houses, and one of the largest housing problems they say is we need to make houses prefabbed. And they say one of the biggest inefficiencies in the construction process is how if you ever look around a construction site, you'll see most people are actually standing around talking than they are working. And I guess if you go back and watch the videos, you'll actually notice there are many times people are just sitting around talking, because that's how it is. And it's very, very funny to see when you see it. So again, thanks everyone for watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate all the support from all my viewers. Thanks again to all my Patreon supporters. I want to give a shout out to all of you. Thank you so much. I couldn't have done it without you. And anyone else out there, if you think this video has brought you value, please think about supporting me on Patreon. There is a link in the description. And everyone else, just thanks for supporting me as well, because the best form of support is simply being here and watching my videos. So thanks again. I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you next time with more TeraTexas updates.